Alright folks, so here is my March EDC update. So this is stuff I've been carrying for all of March, end of 2024, January, February, now March. So here we go. Of course, I have the reason why you lovely folks are watching this video is my Motorola. I don't know what the model is. I'm not very knowledgeable about Androids. I'm more of an iPhone guy, so got that. Always keep a tape measure on hand. It's a tool bench hardware, so I carry that. Knife is the Kershaw filter. Lord God, I was calling it the Elite for a long time. Then I finally had somebody to come and say, oh my God, listen, you'll be okay. Hold your horses there. Old Kershaw will make a few mistakes every now and again. It's okay. It's alright. I swear it is. But I got that. Got my wallet, of course. EDC flashlight. I don't know who makes this. I've had it for years, but I would like to get a better EDC flashlight. So if you got any ideas, please let your boy know. What else? So keys, gotta have those. Got the house keys, storage unit, all that. And we got gloves, because I work in an industrial setting. Gotta have work gloves, so. I do not have a pistol. I wish I did for some places. Not shot in my butt there. But I do not have a pistol. I've had a couple. Thinking about getting another one, but right now I just ain't got the money for it. So anyway. Oh, almost forgot. Last, but certainly not least, got the Alpha Gear Delta Pro. If you want to get an EDC watch, this is the one. It keeps up with your steps, how many calories you burn, all that. Keeps up with all that. It keeps up with your heart rate, oxygen, stress level, and all that. And it goes up here. Sports data. It's a sports, heart rate, sleep. Keeps up with that too. BP. It's got music on there. It's got weather, stopwatch, messages, find phone. For you women, it's got y'all stuff too. Don't ask me why. It just came with it. But there you go. So move this out of the way. way. There is, can I get a whole shot of it? So yeah, that is my March EDC update. Nothing too special, just the stuff I carry every day on my body or in my pockets. Whoa! But anyway, y'all stay tuned. We're going to do some knife reviews later today. So if I can get my family to ever come home. They're out running around like a bunch of chickens with no heads. So yeah. Y'all stay tuned, and hopefully we can do some knife reviews later today. So y'all have a good one.